Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to review this JJ01 Omnidirectional RC tank. This tank can drift, it has a sound option, you can use the turret, it has a light, and it can actually fires cannonballs. In the box they sent 2 packages of balls and you need to add water. For each package you need 180 milliliters water, and after 5 hours they get bigger cannonballs, and when you fire it and when you crash or when you fire it to your hand, it just explodes. It's really awesome, and from each package you get 500 cannonballs, and one package loads the tank 2 times. Now I am going to show you how to prepare the cannonballs and how to load it. Then I'm going to keep reviewing this awesome product. Okay guys, each water bomb package includes 500 water bombs. To prepare the water bomb, first you need a scissor, a 180 milliliters of clean water, and you need to pour all of 500 water bombs into it. And after waiting 4 hours, these water bombs will increase to 7 to 8 millimeter size. Then we need to pour the water bombs into cannon tank here, and we can start shooting. Okay guys, after 5 hours those small balls became bigger balls for our cannon. Let's put it in. So we need to open this door. And as you can see, one package is more than one tank. So it's coming with 2 packages of balls. It means you can load your cannon 4 times. Also in the box, the tank is coming with a 3.7 volts 1S 1300 milliamps lithium ion battery, the charger, and all screws and parts are coming in this huge and awesome box. This is the second box actually, because this car comes as a kit in 27 pieces. It is incredibly easy, that's why I didn't show it in the video, because they are just coming as big parts. They are already installed, they are already assembled, and you just need to put them together as a Lego with this detailed manual. And it took for me about almost an hour. After an hour you get your car, your RC tank, drifting RC tank prepared. Okay, let me plug in the battery and show you how this crazy thing works. Okay, I just plugged in the battery, and by the way, the remote controller requires 4 AA batteries. First the remote controller and the tank. As you heard, it also have engine sound, but I am just going to turn it off from this button. Anyway, you can see all marks next to buttons, so it's not complicated to use it. First thing, I just would like to show you the shooting option box, and we have the fire button here. Let's see, up, down, fire. Man, it's it's shooting really fast. Let me try it to my hand. I hope it's not going to hurt too much. Yes, don't shoot it to your hand. Let me try it again. Did you see it? It just exploded. It's awesome. And other features, you can also define your target with from this light, and you can also turn it on and turn it off. We have a light button just here. See? Let's keep it close also. And what else we have? The Cannonball. The cannon turns almost 360 degrees, but I think it stops at 340 degrees. Up, down, and other features will be the driving features, and also you can program this tank by pressing this API button. First you need to press it and do some movements and fire, and when you press it again, it's just doing the same things that you just did. So I'm just going to show you outside a little bit later. Anything else to show? No, okay, let's try it outside.